Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location services and giving the chosen app permission. This lets the iPhone use GPS hardware without cellular data. Once done, download offline maps in Apple Maps or Google Maps, or install an offline navigation app so map tiles and routing data are stored locally. Make sure precise location is on so the phone uses high-accuracy GPS. You're preparing the device to calculate position and show roads even when no internet connection exists. Next, plan and cache your route while you still have internet. Input start and end points and let the app calculate directions, then save or download that route for offline use. If your app supports tile caching, manually pan and zoom through the area to ensure tiles are stored. For hikes or remote travel, use a GPX-capable app to record or import tracks. This preserves breadcrumb navigation. Make sure offline turn-by-turn and POI data are enabled so navigation continues without a connection. When you're offline, switch to airplane mode to avoid roaming but allow location services. This forces the phone to rely on satellite GPS. Start the offline map or GPX track and follow the cached route. The phone computes position via GPS satellites even without internet. If the fix drifts or is slow, move to open sky, restart the app, or toggle location services to reinitialize the receiver. Finally, keep battery saver off and carry extra power because continuous GPS drains battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.